Let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever had a list of cold leads sitting there, full of potential, but you just didn't know how to turn them into actual paying customers without awkward cold calls? Yeah, you're not alone. Cold calling is uncomfortable, time-consuming, and honestly, most people avoid it altogether. But here's the good news. You don't actually need cold calling anymore to convert leads. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn cold leads into paying customers using a smarter, more modern approach with the help of a powerful tool called Outrich. So, here's the reality. Most people struggle with Outreach because it's a lot of work. You have to find the right leads, research each person, write personalized emails, follow up consistently, and keep track of replies. And if you're doing all of that manually, it quickly becomes overwhelming. That's usually where things break down. Emails become generic, follow-ups get missed, and opportunities slip through the cracks. And the worst part, it's not because your offer is bad, it's because your system isn't efficient. This is exactly where Outrich comes in. Outrich is an AI-powered outreach platform designed to help you convert cold leads into real conversations and ultimately paying customers without needing to pick up the phone. Instead of doing everything manually, Outrich automates the entire outreach process while keeping your messages personal and human. Let me break down how this actually works in a simple way. First, Outrich helps you enrich your leads. That means it gathers useful information about your prospects, so you're not just sending random emails, you're sending messages that actually feel relevant. Next, it writes unique emails for each lead. Not templates, not copy-paste messages, but personalized emails that sound natural and tailored. This massively increases your chances of getting replies. Then comes one of the most important parts, follow-ups. Most people don't realize this, but a huge percentage of replies come from follow-up emails, not the first message. Outrich automatically creates and sends multi-step follow-up sequences for you, so you stay consistent without having to remember anything. And when someone replies, Outrich tracks it instantly and even helps you generate quick responses, so you never lose momentum in the conversation. Here's why this is so powerful. You're building real conversations at scale without cold calling. No awkward phone calls, no pressure, no interruptions. Just clean, professional communication that lets your prospects respond when they're ready. And because everything is personalized, it doesn't feel like spam. It feels like a genuine outreach. Imagine this for a second. Instead of spending hours every day writing emails and chasing leads, you have a system running in the background, reaching out to new prospects, following up automatically, and notifying you when someone is interested. So all you have to do is step in and close the deal. That's the shift. You go from chasing leads to managing opportunities. If you're serious about growing your business, generating more leads, and closing more deals without burning yourself out, this is definitely something worth looking into. I'll leave more details about Outrich in the description so you can check it out for yourself. All right, that's it for today. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more content on growing your business smarter, not harder. And I'll see you in the next video.